Hey, I'm hungry for supper. Are you guys? Let's see what we're gonna have for dinner tonight. All right, tonight we are gonna have pork fried rice with a low carb version. We have some steamed cauliflower right there and some ready rice jasmine. And then we have some ham, a ham steak that has been cubed up, some onions and peppers. I forgot to bring onions, so I had to storm into our freezer here and grab some things. They didn't have, I usually use frozen peas and carrots, but they didn't have any, so I got a little can. And then we have soy sauce and teriyaki sauce, and all of it is going to be cooked over here on our griddle. We have a Pit Boss. It's like the Blackstone but cheaper, and this is what we're going to cook it on. All right, Tony is going to be our grill master today.
Benihana.
He is excited. He thinks he's at the Kodo Japanese steakhouse right now. All right, we are going to start with some oil. All right, we're gonna try this. I've never videotaped while he's cooking, and I'm gonna try and hand him stuff. So I'm sorry if my camera doesn't stay in perfect harmony. I'll give you this because this is frozen. All right, gonna put the ham and the onions and peppers. There's that bowl. And then we have the riced cauliflower. We'll put that on next. You're gonna have to rip it open. I didn't open it.
Oh.
I forgot to.
I would have noticed when nothing came out.
I know. Hopefully there's a way for you to open it. Like normally if you were to steam it, it has a little thing. First time doing it with this cauliflower rice, so hopefully it comes out okay.
I wonder if we should use our stainless steel dome. It'll steam it.
Do you think we need that? I know we'll use it tomorrow night for the tortellini. The rice is already cooked, so it's just going to be a matter of warming it up in the Uncle Ben's one here. Oh, it's not called Uncle Ben's anymore. They took off Uncle Ben. It is now Ben's Original.
Okay.
You want to add this?
Dump it right into the same pile?
Sure. I don't know, it's our first time doing it, so we are going to figure it out. Normally you would put that in the microwave to steam it, but we're not doing that. We're putting it right on the griddle.
It's stuck.
Yeah, I wonder if we should have microwaved it first, just to...
It'll fall out,
like,
or whatever.
Well, you know, like because it would have steamed it enough to break up the pieces. I also have the soy sauce here and some teriyaki sauce to add to it.
There we go.
Sometimes we add a scrambled egg at the end, but not today. This is our first time making it with the cauliflower rice.
Okay.
Is it high enough?
I got it on low.
Okay.
I didn't want to scorch the pan because it was blackish. We had to clean all that black off.
I'd probably turn it up a little bit. It looks like your
hibachi grills have flames shooting everywhere.
Yeah, where's your flame? You're the flame, baby. You're the flame to my grill.
Yeah. There. It's up.
All right. Yeah, because it looks like it's just, I don't know, not doing what I thought. You want to take the spatula and break up those onions and peppers so they're, because normally I would dice them, but I didn't. I forgot to bring fresh onions and peppers. So we're using what was in the freezer. Normally I wouldn't even put peppers in. It would just be an onion. So now would probably be a good time to put some of the seasoning on it. Yep. So I also normally use sesame oil. And yeah, another thing I forgot. So we don't have that, which I love. The taste of sesame oil on stuff is really good. So I do have this teriyaki sauce.
I'll do it.
You want to put it on? Don't overwhelm it. I have some soy sauce too for it. Put some on the ham. We can always add more later too. And then here's the soy. You got to take the cover off. So when I ordered, I do grocery pickup, and my soy sauce bottle is similar to this type of bottle, but this black cap right here was broken on it. So once I peeled out, you don't have to use all of it. I just kind of. So when I put soy sauce on stuff, I do not put salt, because soy sauce is so salty. So I was saying, so I ended up taking a container at home and putting some soy sauce in it for, by the way, I don't know if I showed you guys, we are camping. Here we go. There's our camper. We are actually at Cedar Point State Park in Clayton, New York. Okay, look at all the liquid over there. I still feel like it could be warmer. Is my pork getting nice and crispy over there?
It's working.
Last we have the onions or the peas and carrots, but we'll put that on after everything is mixed, because that won't take long at all to warm up. Seeing that it's not frozen. If it was frozen, I'd be putting that in now. That looks really nice with the cauliflower and the rice in there, huh? You can't even tell the difference. Yep. I'm excited to try it. Want to mix everything in?
All this?
Yeah, I think it's time.
Oh no.
I mean, the ham's already pre-cooked, so you're just warming it up. Onions and peppers look like they're now unthawed. That all looks like it's cooked. Looks good. You can do this with chicken, with beef, with shrimp.
Shrimp. Did we bring my shrimp?
We did not bring the shrimp. We didn't have a meal for shrimp.
You don't need a meal. You just need time to put it on.
Okay, ready? You want to pour this on and mix this in? Just the peas will get mushy because they're canned peas, so they mush. That's it, except unless you think it needs more teriyaki sauce.
I don't know. I don't think so. There's still enough moisture in it.
I don't know, it's going to take long at all for the peas and carrots to warm up. Oh, that's looking good. It smells good. I can smell it. If you've tried this on your Blackstone or your Griddle or your Pit Boss, or I think Sam's Club even has a brand. I can't remember what it's called. I'd love to know what you guys think of it. And have you ever tried it with the cauliflower rice?
Okay.
Y'all done? Because you put it in a nice little pile there, so only the bottom's getting nice and crispy.
Done.
All right, do you want any more teriyaki sauce?
Nope.
Okay, we're good. That's it. I will put a picture at the end of this so you guys can see it on a plate.